In studying political law, I've learned how crucial it is to understand the relationship between laws and government structures. One of the first things I learned is how constitutional law lays the groundwork for everything, defining how power is shared between the branches of government like executive, legislative, and judicial. I also discovered how political law protects individual rights like freedom of speech, assembly, and the right to vote, which are all essential in a democratic society. Overall, political law shows how law don't just regulate government actions but also safeguard the principles of democracy, ensuring that the power of the state is balanced by the rights of the people.
The political law in the Philippines is the study of the government structure, powers, and citizens' rights. It involves the interpretation and application of the Constitution, the country's foundational law. The 1987 Constitution is the current Constitution of the Philippines. It outlines the rights of the people, including civil liberties like freedom of speech, religion, and assembly. It also establishes the separation of powers into three branches, which is the executive, legislative, and judicial. Here are some political laws of the Philippines. First is the Republic Act No. 7160, the Local Government Code of 1991. Next is Republic Act No. 6730, the Code Conduct and Ethical Standards for the Public Officials and Employees.
So when it comes to labor law refers to the body of laws, administrative rulings, and precedents that address the rights and the responsibilities of workers, employers, and unions. It encompasses a wide range of topics including employment contracts, workplace, safety, discrimination, wages, hours of work, and the right to organize and bargain collectively. Here are some key aspects of labor law. Number 1 is employee rights. Labor laws protect workers from unfair treatment and ensure they have rights related to wages. Number 2 is employer obligations. These laws also outline the responsibilities of employers such as providing a safe work environment, paying fair wages, and adhering to anti-discrimination policies. The importance of labor law today is significant for several reasons. Number 1 is protection of workers. In an area where workplace rights are increasingly challenged, labor laws serve as safeguard against exploitation and discrimination. Number 2 is economic stability. Fair labor practices contribute to a stable economy for ensuring that workers are compensated fairly and can support themselves and their families. In summary, labor law is essential for maintaining a fair and equitable workplace, fostering economic stability, and protecting the rights of workers in today's evolving job market.
Commercial law is a broad field that governs the principles, rules, and regulations surrounding business and commerce. It covers essential topics such as contract law, which ensures valid agreements between parties. Second is the agency law, which defines relationship between principals and agents. Lastly is the sale of goods and services, including Uniform Commercial Code. It also includes intellectual property protection, competition law, consumer rights, and employment law, all of which shape how businesses operate and interact with stakeholders.
Additionally, commercial law addresses corporate governance, international trade regulations, banking laws, dispute resolution methods, and insolvency procedures. Further areas of focus include mergers and acquisitions, real estate transactions, environmental compliance, insurance, and secure transactions. Navigating commercial law is essential for business to ensure fair transaction and legal compliance and effective resolutions of conflicts, ultimately supporting the smooth operation and success of commercial activities.